as the wheat awakens and Kanolkop's charming history is revealed. It speaks of a flow through time, through the farmlands of the Swartland. The grounding space of fourth-generation farmer J.P. Treter.
Daar is vir my niks lekkerder as om elke oggend op te staan en spasie rondom my te hê. Om hierdie mooi omgewing wat ons het te kan sien elke oggend is vir my 'n ongelooflike groot seën.
J.P. complemented what he'd learned from his father by studying at Elsenburg and working on a farm in the US. Geared with exposure, he set out to create his own success recipe. Between the late 90s and 2010, he entered into various agreements for the buying and leasing of land, all aimed at establishing a cleverly integrated system, always with a deep care for the soil.
Dit is vir my verskriklik belangrik dat ek my grond probeer opbou en dat ek so biologies korrek as moontlik boer.
With minimum tillage, high potential soils are utilized for annually rotating wheat and meddix on a 50-50 basis. Lower potential soils are planted for silage. Through excellent management, it all feeds into a sustainable farming operation from a conservation and financial perspective.
Ek dink 'n ou moet jou boerdery sien soos enige ander besigheid. Jy moet hom bestuur soos 'n besigheid. As jy nie goeie finansiële bestuur in jou boerdery gaan hê nie, gaan jy in elk geval nie suksesvol wees nie. Een ander punt is tydsberekening. As jy nie jou planttyd reg bepaal nie en jy nie jou kunsmis op die regte tye toedien en chemiese beheer op die regte tye doen nie, gaan jy in elk geval ook nie daai bietjie beter doen wat jy moet doen om winsgewend te kan wees nie.
And with the capable backing of farm manager Abri Brunk, the activities run like clockwork. The Angus cattle are farmed for weaner production and as a fast-growing breed allow for quick turnaround. The sheep for fat lamb and wool production account for the majority of the livestock and their dual purpose ensures healthy returns. At the same time, JP's high wheat yields broaden his marketing scope.
Ek bemark plus minus 50% van my koring deur WKG in die pool en die ander 50% bemark ek self.
JP has now also teamed up with his neighbor, Corné Rust, to create an empowerment project with shareholding for farm workers. Because in the soul of the Swartland lies the heartbeat of people, relationships, and closer to home, the joy of family. Fed by lively chatter, care, and fresh new ideas. The Viljoen's farming activities stretch from the northwest into parts of the Free State and even Botswana. But it's still driven from Leeudoringstad, where Hansie Viljoen took his first farming steps.
Ek het in 1986 saam met my pa ma begin boer op hierdie plaas waar ons bly Syferbult. Ek was so toe my voet in die grond raak toe ek begin hardloop. My maat voluit geboer saam met my tot 8 jaar terug was hy oorlede is. Baie van die goed wat ek van boerdery weet het ek by my ma geleer. Dit was 'n formidabele vrug.
This farming legacy is now continued through Dian and Henricus. Each of the sons have their focus areas, but they handle the crop farming together.
Ek sê altyd vir hulle onthou ons is in 'n reisies. Jy moet nie die boonste 10% wees net om relevant te bly. Al die ons doen wie hulle hardloop 100 teen 9.8 sekondes. So daar's nie 'n tyd vir 'n 10 sekonde nie, as jy agter en weer dit en hulle doen dit goed.
And so every generation brings a vibrant new energy, rippling through the business.
Hulle het 'n passie vir die boerdery. Hulle werk eintlik moeg want hulle werk en boer beter as ek.
Henricus handles the irrigation and game farming. Dian is in charge of their stud and commercial cattle. And it all comes together at the office through skilled administration. To keep tabs on this widespread business also require the input of hands-on managers. In fact, the Viljoens have 7 managers focusing on the different regions and facets of the business.
Jy moet goeie mense om met mekaar maak, met ons bestuurders en met my seuns, hulle vat eienaarskap elkeen. Boer of dit sy eie besigheid is.
With good planning and precision, they plant maize, soya and potatoes. 70% of the lands are water table soils, meticulously managed for sustainability. Maize is their main crop, and a portion is also planted under irrigation, which is powered by a solar array.
Ons doen al besproeiing, ons al so 10-12 ton af op besproeiing. Drolaan haal ons het die jare goeie oes, maar ons gemiddeld is so 6,5 ton. Ons plant so kwart van ons lande sojaboontjies, ons al goeie opbrengste af. En dan, as jy 'n jaar daarna op mielies plant, dan haal jy beter oes af.
Here at the Viljoens, integration is the operative word, with a lot of it resting on the maize, as it also plays an important role in grazing management.
Ons wy op mieliestronke van Mei tot September maand. So is omtrent 5 maande as jy weg van jou natuurlike beweiding af. Die beeste word vet en ons kry ons draagkrag baie hoër en mielies in beeste loop saam.
Hansie Viljoen sure has it pegged. With respect for the lands, innovative people and family, he opened up a new growth path, set to continue serving generations to come. The neat and organized setup at Niekerkskuil mirror the philosophy of Rian Taljaard. With purpose and passion, he engages the day alongside farm manager Dani Skoonraad, ready to share a perfectly worked out schedule with the personnel. And before you know, things just move, exactly as planned.
Nadat ek geswat het in Pretoria, het ek in 1997 hier op die plaas Niekerkskuil begin boer. Dit is 'n plaas wat my pa opgebou het en ek het saam met hom kon boer vir 'n hele ruk. So ja, boerdery was nog altyd in my bloed gewees en dit is vir my 'n passie om te kan boer.
Since taking over from his dad, Rian has expanded the operation by buying and leasing additional land, mapping out his crop production plan with ultimate precision. To make the most of his 70% water table soils, he works closely with agriculturist Ian Botma.
Ons wisselboustelsel is gebaseer op 1/5 van ons grond lê ons oor. Dan die gedeeltes wat ons dan nou plant vir 'n jaar, sal die helfte sal mielies wees en die ander helfte sal dan 2/3 sojas wees en 1/3 sonneblom.
Minimum tillage is done in accordance with his rotation system. A spot sprayer uses infrared sensors to target only green weeds. Throughout, moisture management remains his departure point. And it's also the reason for inclusion of fallow lands in his rotation system.
Ons kan ons 'n jaar langer maak, ons kan meer reën opvang en ons kan ons watertafel lig. En daai lig van die watertafel kan ons weer in droogtetye langer laat trek met ons plante om dan goeie oeste te kan maak in swaar tye.
Beyond his sense of detail, Rian has one overriding principle.
Ek was eendag by 'n boerevereniging gewees en ek vra vir 'n oom, wat is die kruks van boerdery? En hy sê vir my, betyds. As jy nie jou finansiering betyds in plek gekry het nie, sou jy nie betyds geld gehad het om betyds jou produksiemiddels te koop nie, om betyds te kon plant nie. Dis eintlik mind-blowing hoeveel betyds 'n mens moet wees in jou boerdery.
Yet when it comes to marketing, he'd rather hold back a little. And he now wants to erect more silos, as he sees higher returns when not selling crops in season.
Ons probeer om te kyk of kan ons dit nie 3 of 4 maande of 5 maande dra nie, om net uit strooptyd te kom.
For risk mitigation, Rian farms cattle and has also introduced pecan nuts along with a growing number of game. The exquisite antelope provide much delight to this closely knit family. And the Taljaard's own Bokdrolspoeg competition always adds a fun touch. On this family farm, a lot may have changed, but the care for each other and their beloved Wipstad community are stronger than ever. True to his passionate nature, Rian is as engaged in the upkeep of the town as he is in building on the heritage of Niekerkskuil.